access 100% over the entire system. So this mentality pushed me towards learning Linux. Um, for the web, because I like to create stuff. I do web development, and I do application softwares, and basically, like, I'm everywhere. And
Right.
I try to keep myself busy like that, and I think this is the way of doing if you want to survive in those days, right? And that's why I said earlier, there are those large language models are a helper and not a replacement, is because helps you to evolve faster than before, right? Because before you was waiting for somebody else, another person, to give you the feedback, to give you the help, to give you the answers. Now it's like you have your own word library at your hand, at your disposal, and you just type there, ask, put question, and you have instant the answer, right? And if you do your diligences and you double check, triple check even, and if it's the right thing, you use it, and that's it. Like the normal way we was doing before with Stack Overflow and Google.
That's right. Exactly. It's just a better Stack Overflow in Google in lots of ways. I
Yeah.
do find that I get novel suggestions that take me down rabbit holes and allow me to explore technology that I wouldn't have previously picked up or been exposed to just in chatting with the LLM, or just by saying, instead of being very specific and saying, well, I'm working on this, let's say a Next.js application, and it's TypeScript, and we're going to be using whatever the framework is. If instead I say, well, suppose today I was going to sit down and build a web page, and it was going to have this behavior and talk to a database. What are some of my options? And what are the most common options? And then I'll get like 4 or 5 suggestions. Some of them may be something I've never encountered before, and it's still very concise. It's also very quick these days, I'm finding, to be able to port a function or a functionality between one language to another. So if I want to try it very quickly and say, and this is another reason I'm also a Linux guy. I do all my development on Linux, but I like to be able to say and ask an LLM, oh yeah, I'd like to quickly try to stack. Just give me a bash script that will install it and give me a hello world. There we go. Run that, and now I'm up in like 15 seconds later, I'm ready to experiment. And then I say, well, take this application or this little small page, whatever it might be, and port it to this framework, how you might do that. Spits it out for me.